All brick home with plenty of room to grow on 3.13 acres. In today's market, finding a home is hard with everything on your wish list. This 2-story home has much to offer. The spacious kitchen has plenty of cabinet space with an island, granite countertops, backsplash and double oven. The master and 1 additional bedroom are downstairs, along with an office. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms and a large bonus area. All bedrooms have access to a bathroom. The master has a jetted tub, double vanity, linen closet and timed shower for those rushed mornings. There is a 3-car garage with plenty of yard. Don't let this one pass you by.